Guangzhou Luckyplay Amusement Equipment Company Limited, a leading enterprise based in Guangzhou, China, specializing in the manufacturing of high-quality amusement and entertainment products. Established in 2008, we bring 17 years of industry expertise to the global market, focusing on delivering innovative and commercially driven solutions. As a globally recognized manufacturer of indoor playground systems, we pride ourselves on our ability to provide custom concept design and development services tailored to your specific needs and budget. We offer rapid product development with lead times as short as 20 days, ensuring timely delivery without compromising quality. Our product portfolio includes indoor playground system, themed adventure courses, educational play zones, and new trends in sports parks and slide parks. We are committed to exceptional quality and competitive pricing, ensuring maximum return on your investment. We have forged a strategic partnership with the internationally renowned and impartial SGS and established a QTL laboratory in our factory, marking a new milestone in our company's management level, safety control capabilities, and product quality. With 17 years of export experience, we serve clients across North America, Middle East, Western Europe, and Southeast Asia, including retailers, wholesalers, and manufacturers. Our annual sales reflect strong market trust and satisfaction. At Guangzhou Luckyplay, we combine innovation, safety, and affordability to transform spaces into engaging and profitable entertainment destinations. We invite you to partner with us for a customized solution that aligns with your vision and goals.